This episode of Adventures Afield is brought to you by Airforce Airguns. Serious airguns for the serious shooter. And these fine sponsors. Alright, we just decided to do a meat hunt real quick. I was going to go after some meat anyway. And the easiest thing right now that, what we found the most of right now is the Mouflan. They're over in this direction. So we're going to head this way. She is down. This is a female Mouflan ram. This is my furthest shot so far, 198 yards. Now, when I was up on the hill, the wind was blowing to the right. So I figured I would aim a little bit to the left. This is where I was aiming and this is where I shot. 340 grain bullet wasn't affected as much by the wind. But these are the BHD bullets. 340 grain flat nose. They're doing about 840, 850 feet per second out of the Airforce Texan. Now, as always, it's topped with the sunOptics scope, and I'm having a lot of luck with this. Very accurate. But Airforce Airguns.